it's me Aaditya Jha, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Helping Hands. This is my second video, and in this video I am going to discuss about gravitational force, a content of the chapter course of grade 10 science. And in this video I am going to discuss about the definition of gravitational force, some concepts about it, and some popular reasoning questions about it. So let's start the video. First of all, while defining gravitational force is the force existing between any two objects in this universe, and this force is directly proportional to the product of the masses of the two bodies and is inversely proportional to the square of distance between their centers. Let's take an example. Let's take the Earth and the Moon. There exists gravitational force between the Earth and the Moon, due to which the Moon revolves around the Earth. The Earth also revolves around the Moon, but we do not observe it. Let's discuss about it. Likely, we can take Earth and an apple. We know that apple falls from a tree to the Earth, but why doesn't the Earth fall to the apple? Falling is dependent upon acceleration, and acceleration is produced as an effect of gravitational force. Actually, gravitational force existing between two bodies does not make any of them to go towards other, because gravitational force of the sun and the earth between them is equal and opposite. That's why neither the sun falls into the earth nor the earth falls into the sun. Now we are talking about apple earth and apple the moon. So we can take one example, either apple and the earth or earth and the moon. Let's take apple and the earth. So for calculating acceleration due to gravity, we know the formula, that is gm by r square, where g is universal gravitational constant, whose value is 6.67 times 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square, and m is the mass of the planet or satellite of which the acceleration due to gravity we are calculating, and radius, or simply the distance, is the distance between the center of that object whose acceleration due to gravity is being calculated and the object upon which the acceleration is being acted. So let's talk about Earth and the apple. So while talking about the acceleration produced by the Earth on the apple, we have g, the constant, and m will be the mass of the Earth, while radius will be same, that is the distance between the Earth and the moon. Let's assume something. Let's assume x. So g will be constant, x will be constant, and mass will be of the Earth. Now if we calculate the acceleration produced by the apple on the Earth, then there will be g will be constant and x here also will be constant, but the mass here will be of the apple, and when the mass of the apple comparatively to the Earth is very small, then the acceleration produced on the Earth due to the apple will also be very small. And due to this very small acceleration produced on the Earth by the apple, we do not observe the Earth falling towards the apple. Instead, we feel that the Earth is not falling towards the apple is just falling towards the Earth. Similar case is between the Earth and the moon. So I think you shall have been clear about gravitational force in this video. So I hope you shall like this video, and you shall obviously subscribe this channel. Please subscribe this channel so that I get motivated and I shall be uploading new videos about new ideas to you. Thank you very much.